Decomposed body, showing the features of greenish color discoloration for all parts of the body. Look at the features of the face. These are protrusion of the eyeballs, protrusion of the tongue. We can see the filling of the skin over the sole, filling of skin over the palms, and swelling of the scrotum and face. पीछे जोर से look at the removal of the hairs just by pulling the hairs. This is due to the decomposition changes, and it is useful to consider the time since death. Look at the brownish color discoloration of the scalp. This is due to the decomposition. We have to differentiate it from the contusion of the scalp. This is the gaseous distension of the scrotum. Look at the brain and its parenchyma. This becomes pulpy due to decomposition changes. Now we are observing the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Look at the brownish color discoloration due to decomposition changes. Now we are going to cut sternum. This is a case of drowning, so sternum is very much important bone. In this case, we are going to preserve this bone for the diatom test. The half part of the sternum is preserved for the diatom test. Look at the condition of the liver, condition of the lungs. These are the changes of decomposition. The liver shows the features of honeycomb liver. Look at the congestion and the brownish color discoloration of the lungs. These are the Hypsematus bullis calvicem, which are usual finding in drowning cases. Now we are going to remove the liver as a whole. In this case, stomach is very much important and its content. The specimen is of stomach. The content of the stomach. Now we are going to see the content of stomach. Take an incision on stomach wall and just divide the walls. You can see semi-digested yellowish color fluid. And the walls of the stomach shows the brownish color discoloration. Now we are going to preserve in saturated common salt solution. Even part of small intestine is also removed for the preservation. Okay. This is the proximal part of small intestine, which is jejunum, which will be preserved for viscera chemical analysis. For the viscera preservation, half of each kidney is preserved. यहीं पे कट करो, यहीं पे कट करो. Now second kidney. Then liver along with gallbladder. is preserved for the viscera analysis. After that, half of it is cut. And it is used for viscera analysis. This is the condition of the lungs. We can see the emphysematous bully. Transverse sections. We are doing transverse sections for looking for any crop or foreign particles. Look at the condition of the brain. A decomposition. Whole brain parenchyma became pulpy and friable. It became totally greyish substance, which is liquefied. Look at the friableness of the brain. This is post-mortem bully. In left part of the chest and left side of the chest. Look at the subcutaneous tissue. No effusion of blood is present underlying the subcutaneous tissue. Now we are going to do flap incisions. First, skin is removed to observe the subcutaneous tissue. Right side. Same procedure is followed to the other side. Now we are taking deep incision to take the tongue and make structures in one block. This procedure is beneficial in case of choking, in case of hanging, all asphyxial death, including drowning. Tongue, sir. टंग आनी चाहिए ठीक से, टंग पूरी आनी चाहिए. But in this procedure we can see tongue along with the neck structure like larynx. Tongue shows the decomposition changes, and around the